This is a final video to fix the EA app error code INST 14-1603 because I know exactly how frustrating it feels when your games refuse to install. Are you facing this exact problem right now where the installer just stops and gives you this annoying message? This issue usually happens because your computer has tiny file conflicts or missing permissions that block the EA app from finishing its job. Most solutions you find on YouTube or social media are way too long and make things feel much harder than they actually are. I have found 4 proven methods to fix this error, and I guarantee that at least one of them will work for you even if your situation seems very critical. You should pause this video right now to try these methods one by one, or take quick screenshots so you do not miss any details. Here at Rexis, I focus on getting you back into your games without the headache of complicated tech talk. My team tested these steps, and they clear out the errors that stop your fun. You do not need to be a computer expert to get this done today. Just follow the method steps by steps showing on the screen.